Princess Mommy. My name is Amanda if you've never seen me before, and today what we are doing is a clean with me, and I'm going to try to get this done as fast as I can, guys. So it's pretty much, I've already made dinner. I just got to clean up my kitchen. I got to clean up my living room because, hey, it is Sunday night, meaning tomorrow is Monday. And I know when y'all are watching this, it'll be past Monday. I'm aware of that, guys. But like I said, for me, tomorrow will be Monday, so I need to make sure my house is clean tonight. That way, I don't have such a big mess to have tomorrow. So if that's something you're interested in, which I'm hoping you are, because hello, you're here, guys, then make sure you stick around. That way we can get started. Okay, guys, so before we get started, I actually did want to let you know also, so what kind of videos I do is cleaning, like you're seeing today, keto, mommy videos, recipe videos, lifestyle videos, just kind of within that general area is the type of videos that I go ahead and upload. I upload anywhere from 2 to 3 times a week. I do as well like unboxings and baggings, everything that you can find. Go ahead, check down below, check down within all my videos listed. Make sure you watch anything that takes your interest, guys. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe before you leave. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which I'll have coming across your screen, as well as my Facebook. And let's get to cleaning, guys. Okay, guys, so first thing is first. We're going to go ahead and get started on this kitchen. So as you're going to see right here, I have to pack up some food, get some dishes, put in the dishwasher, and wash some dishes. Of course, the counters and everything else that goes along with this kitchen, guys. Okay, guys, we finally got into the living room. I know it probably seemed like it took forever in that kitchen. I know to me it did. So as you see here, we're going to go ahead and get these couches fixed, and we're going to go ahead and sweep and mop, get my computer table all cleaned up so that my house can look amazing, at least for tonight. Okay guys, so now that I look a complete hot mess, you can see my hair is like all jacked up already. I was able to go ahead and get my living room cleaned and my kitchen cleaned. And if it's a little dark, I'm sorry about that. It actually is pretty late over here. It is, yeah, almost midnight. I like to clean at night for some reason. I've realized this. I'm always cleaning my deep cleans at night when my kids are asleep and my husband's laying down, and I guess it's kind of like a relaxation. I'm not sure. But hey, I hope I was able to motivate you to go ahead and go clean whatever it is that you need motivation to go clean. And if you can hear my washer going, I am sorry about that, guys. Kind of got the washer going right now. So like I was saying, if I was able to help you be motivated to go clean any part of your house that you need motivation to go clean, guys, make sure that you give this video, because again, I keep forgetting how to talk, guys. Oh my goodness. We should have a tally going on with that, how many times I mess up when I'm talking. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and I was able to motivate you, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you enjoyed my little bit of dancing going on in there when I was mopping and sweeping, guys, I was jamming out to some 90s country, because that was my thing. It still is my thing. Come on now, I'm not that old. But if you love 90s country or 90s music in general, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure you go ahead and go check out all my other cleaning videos, which I promise you, there's a whole collection of them, guys. I have a whole area just for cleaning. But if you're looking for keto, I got that. If you're looking for some recipes, I got that for you. And if you're looking for some mommy, some makeup, some unboxing, you just want to relax and chill and watch some YouTube, guys, go check out the rest of my videos in my channel. And I will talk to you later. Bye, guys. Love y'all.